YouTube. Please subscribe it so that if you miss any class, it will help you a lot. I think I told you long back. Am I right, Swastik Samanta? Am I right, Shaurya Ugle? मैंने ये चीज
Yes,
बताई थी कि सपोज ड्यू टू सर्टन रीजन इफ यू मिस योर क्लास as I try to
Sir,
as I try to download and upload this entire class on YouTube. If you subscribe it, then you can see the latest class. आप यदि सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, इफ यू मिस एनी क्लास, अब आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा. तो आज सभी बच्चे उसको सब्सक्राइब कर देंगे. ठीक है ना त्रिव्या?
सर
yes,
इस
sir,
चैनल को
मैंने कर दिया. Sir,
आपने किया है, मुझे पता है. So
sir,
first I will
sir,
speak.
you are sending this
सर कौन से
recording
चैनल को
video to us, sir?
क्या मैं
सब्सक्राइब
बात
करना
कर
है?
सकता हूँ? पहले मैं पढ़ाने आया हूँ और आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो पहले मुझे बोलने दो, फिर आपकी बात तो मैं सुनने के लिए बैठा ही हूँ यहाँ पे, है ना सृष्टि पाटिल? Okay, dear
Yes, sir.
children, as in previous period, we learn about blow hot and blow cold. As I explained you about the first president of India. Yes, Samiksha Patil, I saw this. Yes, Samiksha, please keep it down. Last period, as I explained you about a story, blow hot, blow cold, how it is important, what we are breathing, and air is very important. So, in this period, we will go little ahead. So, please listen carefully, understand it. We will go step by step. I'm just presenting through a PowerPoint presentation. And I request you one and all, please pay attention here. If I see you are not attentive, I will remove you from the class. Now I'm presenting, please tell me whether it is visible to you or not.
Sir, दिख रहा है presenting.
सर दिख रहा है, प्रेजेंटिंग दिख रहा है.
I hope it is visible to one and all. I can see the children also, so that at a time two work can be done. Now, dear children, in day-to-day life, we are living organism. Please mute yourself. We are living organism. Certain things are essential for it. What is essential? Water is essential. Food is essential. Clothes are essential, as well as the air. The air which we take through our nose. But some of you may are habituated to take the air through the mouth. Am I right, Sudiksha? Some children take breathing through their mouths. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sometimes, in certain cases, you can breathe through the mouth, but it is very, very dangerous. Nose is given to you. You have to breathe with your nose, not by the mouth. But when some are sleeping, at that time they keep their mouth open and they are breathing. What they are breathing? What they are breathing, they are taking oxygen in their mouth. They are taking oxygen through the nose. We inhale. The taking oxygen in our body is called as inhalation. Please listen carefully what I'm saying. Inhalation, taking oxygen inside the body, is called as inhalation. And releasing carbon dioxide outside the body is called as exhalation. Inhalation, exhalation. Now this new word, this is the scientific word you have to remember. I will show you the spelling also. But I'm just showing you. Inhalation, exhalation. Let's me go ahead. Now you see, inhale air. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air. What air we are taking inside? That air is inhaled air. The air which we breathe in is called inhaled air. Now the exhaled air. So Diksha, please pay attention here. exhaled air. The air we breathe out is called exhaled air. Now next, when you are doing the exercises, especially the yoga exercises, a normal breathing rate is 12 to 15 minutes per minute. The pulse rate, as you check yourself in front of a mirror and watch how many times you are taking air inside your body. In 1 minute, minimum 12, maximum 15 times. So this is a normal ratio. Some of you may take more than that, some of you may take less than this also, but the average is 12 to 15 times. In 1 minute, we take 12 times to 15 times oxygen, that is called as inhalation. We are taking oxygen 12 to 15 times in 1 minute. And as you know, when we are not feeling well, we used to go to the doctor. Now, today I am a doctor in front of you. I am showing you the stethoscope. That's why I went to the nurse room to bring this one. That's why I'm late 2 minutes. What is this? This is the stethoscope. First of all, you should know the spelling of this and why it is used. What doctor is? कितने बजे? Okay. And this is a stethoscope, and this is used for doctor. And what doctor is doing now, you can see this part here is used to hear the voice, hear the moment carefully. What he used to do, he used to put this part on your chest, on your stomach, and he listen your heartbeat. In 1 minute, we take 12 to 15 times oxygen, and this stethoscope gives the situation of your heartbeat. Can anyone tell me how many times we our heart is responding? Yes, in how many times in 1 minute? A normal ratio. Yes, Kirtesh Atade, please tell me. Kirtesh?
Sir, 2 times.
No. Swastik?
Sir, 75 times.
Okay, very good. 70 to 75 times is absolutely right answer. Yes, Arav Chidrewar? Arav Chidrewar?
75. Or 9
Okay, no.
10.
More than 70. See, I am giving you
Sir,
chance
76.
by the name.
Sir, 77.
When I
Eight.
take your name, when I
7.
take your name, when I take your name, when I take your name, then only please respond. Otherwise, chat box is open to one and all. We take oxygen 10 to 15 times in 1 minute, and our heartbeat pumps the oxygen through the entire body near about 70 to 75 times. The
Sir,
average is 72. Who is interrupting me in between? Have you took any permission to ask me a question? Have you raised any question in the chat box? Why you are calling me in between, sir? Yes. Now I request you. There is a surprise meeting in the school for the CBSE examination, and I'm going for the meeting. And before that, Piyush will be here, and uh, I request 5 students. They will read one by one points, and I'm telling their names.
sir, can I?
No, 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 please. I'm taking their names so that they will read slowly. Arav Rawal, then Arushi, Arya Talape, Abhirvai Zadav, Advait Mahajan, Aditi Kumari, Ansh Khedekar, Brahma Pingale. These 6 students will read this. Piyush, I will be back. They call me for the meeting. I will be back. But still that you go through the slides, read it. Piyush धीरे धीरे दिखाएगा ये दोनों भी पीपीटी आपको दिखाएगा, आपको रीड करना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस पॉइंट्स यू विल रीड। ओके, पीयूष इसको दिखाएगा, मैं फिर से वापस आ जाता हूँ, मुझे मीटिंग में बुलाया है, आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए। पहले आपको पीपीटी दिखाना है, आप रीड करेंगे बच्चे, कुछ नहीं, चुपचाप रीड करेंगे। हाँ,
आरव रावल। हाँ, ये पढ़ो अभी आप। क्या आप इसको जूम कर सकते हो थोड़ा? ओके।
पीयूष जूम है पूरा।
हाँ ठीक है। We blow a. Read this. Our breath is human. It contains water vapor. Who is the second name? Who is second?
Arushi.
Yes. Arushi, read this.
Yes. We blow air from our mouth to warm our cold hands.
Okay. What is second name? Third name? Who is third? Who is third?
Abhirva Yadav.
Abhirva?
हाँ.
Read this.
We blow air into some musical instruments to produce sound.
Okay. Who is third?
I.
Ans.
No, I am.
Advait Mahajan. Yes, Advait, read this.
We blow to cook hot things.
Okay. Who is second?
And
Ans, read this.
we blow air to lit fire.
Okay. Who is fourth?
Arav Chidrevar.
Arya Talpe.
Yes.
Read this.
Hot air is light and rises up.
Okay. Who is fourth? Arav Chidrevar. Arav?
Yes.
So read this.
Hot, cold air is heavy and comes down. Breathing exercise.
No, you will not read. Who is next?
Brahma.
Okay, Aditi, you will read. Aditi, sir tell you, you will read now.
Breathing exercises.
Okay. Who is next? Brahma. Who is next? Read. Brahma, read.
Yoga.
Who is fourth? Who is fourth? ब्रह्मा म्यूट करो नहीं तो म्यूट हो जाओ, रिमूव कर दूंगा।
स्वस्तिक माइक ऑफ कर।
गौरव,
Yes.
read this.
Why? Give reasons. Why do we blow on the hot potatoes?
Very good. Now second will read. Ishan?
Piyush,
Yes.
you ask answers no. That question is there, so you can ask answer also.
Okay. Gaurav? Gaurav?
Yes.
What is the question of this answer?
What is the answer of this question?
Yes. Gaurav?
People blow on the hot potato to make it cold.
Very good. Who is next? Ishan? Ishan? Okay, अभी कौन? उत्कर्ष. Utkarsh, by Utkarsh.
Yes.
Read this.
Why do people blow air on their spectacles before cleaning them?
ले रहा हूँ. क्लास चल रही है मेरी. क्लास ले रहा हूँ. Read बेटा वापिस. Read it.
Why do people blow air on their spectacles before cleaning them?
Okay. What is the answer? Question. What is the answer? I'm cutting.
Because people can see clearly.
Okay. वापिस दे देना मुझे. कस्तूरी. कस्तूरी.
He is not in class.
He is in the class. Kasturi. Okay, run karo. Kya?
Yes.
Now you read this.
Name any two instrument we blow air into the produce sound.
Okay. Okay. Now we will read the second PPT. Now I will read the name. Kirtesh Atade. Kirtesh. Kirtesh. कोमल. कोमल.
किस बोल रहे हैं उसका माइक हैंग है.
कोमल. Yes. You read this.
Why should we blow on hot tea?
Okay, what is the answer?
We should blow on hot tea to cold it.
Okay. Now, Komal. Piyush Das,
Yes.
read this.
Why do we blow hot air to dry cold hair?
Okay, what is the answer?
We blow hot air to dry our cold hair.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
He can't.
1 minute. Yes, second. Prajakta Jagdale. Prajakta?
लेफ्ट हो गई.
Okay.
लेफ्ट हो गई.
Pranav Kollam. Yes. Pranav Kollam.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you read this.
Okay, what happens is blow into the balloon.
Yes. What is the answer now? What is the answer? Okay. लास्ट में ओके अभी कौन बाकी है सानवी मगर सानवी
Yes, yes, yes.
1 minute Swastik, what are you doing? Swastik. Yes, what? What you are doing? Playing something? Okay, Sanvi Magar, read. Sanvi,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Piyush.
read.
State what happens when air is blown into a balloon.
What is the answer now? Sanvi?
Yes, the air blown by us fills into the balloon
Okay.
from lungs.
Okay. Now second is Samiksha Patil.
Yes.
Second will read Yashraj. Read this.
Why do we blow warm air on cold hands? When you warm your hands, you blow steadily with your mouth open. This allows a greater volume of warm air to reach your hands. We open our mouth wide and exhale that warm air upon our hands.
Okay. Yashraj. Yashraj.
Yes.
Read this.
How human lungs functions breathing
Process. Okay. ये नीचे का पढ़ो.
किधर का
ये दिख नहीं रहा है कि रिब केज. रिब केज. ये देखो मैं इसको
Rib
colour
cage.
से- एक मिनट हाँ कब पढ़ो.
rib cage expands as rib muscles
Contract.
contracts air
Inhaled.
rib cancel get
Okay ठीक है.
smallest as
ठीक है बस हो गया.
rib muscles access.
Now. Samyak Shelar.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Read this. And organ also you will read.
The
Okay, read. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute. Yes. Now read this. Samyak, read this. The machines.
the machines of breathing.
The mechanics. The mechanics.
The mechanics of breathing.
Yes. Read them down. Oxygen.
Oxygen lungs
Hmm. The sacs.
Sex.
आवाज नहीं. Okay, ठीक है. Now second is Shikhar Prajapati. Shikhar,
हाँ.
read this.
The breathing process in human inhalation and exhalation.
Some Shikhar, read this. One minute. One minute. Udiksha, mute. Yes, Samyak, read this. Samyak.
When you
Please tell them to explain the sentence.
top.
Two better. Pranav, I will remove now. Okay. Shikhar.
Huh?
Shikhar. Read the first line and explain me.
The breathing process in human inhalation and exhalation.
Okay. What is the meaning of this sentence? On the camera first.
The breathing process of human
On your camera. On your camera. Pranav, I will remove now. Mute your mic. Okay. Now, Shikhar Prajapati. Shikhar. Okay. He is not reading. I will remove now. Okay. Next time you will read it.
Yes, sir.
Shaurya. Read this one.
When you inhale, breathe in, air enters through the nostril, the opening to the nose, and flow through the nasal cavity inside the nasal cavity. Hair, clay, and muscles trap dust and tread particles, filling the air that enters the lungs.
Yes. Read. Cavity.
When you breathe in, is that the diaphragm muscles contacts which allows you ribcage to move upward and outward because the lungs have more rooms when you chest it expanded, they open up and air
कौन बीच में बोल रहा है?
Kasturi.
कस्तूरी.
reaches in to fill the space. When your lungs feel the air pass through all the branches of the bronchial into the tiniest air cells, which are called alveoli. The alveoli are the strangers where oxygen and carbon di- dioxygen exchange. When you exhale, the depression muscles relax and move back up. This action causes the ribs to move downward and inward, min- minimizing the size of the lungs. This below trap movement increase the pr- pressure into the no smallest lung, which frogs or pulls air up or out of the lungs. In the exhaled air is carbon dioxide that is depressed by the red blood cells.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
पीयूष प्लीज रिमूव प्रणव, उसके यहाँ से बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
Pranav Kollam. Now I am removing Pranav Kollam. Now Pranav. Now he remove. Yes. Now second is the. Now second is Pranav के बाद. So Diksha, mute your mic. Karthik, mute your mic. Karthik,
Yes.
Karthik, 1 minute. Sudiksha,
Yes.
Sudiksha, mute yourself. Sudiksha, mute yourself. Okay, Karthik, read this. Read.
Why do we toss or cool the hot potatoes?
Okay, what is the answer now?
We toss the
What is the
potatoes.
answer?
We toss the potatoes because
Easy also. Don't worry.
अगर हम पोटैटोस को टॉस करेंगे तो फिर वो हॉट होंगे ना, तो फिर हमारे हाथ को जलेगा, इसीलिए हम टॉस करते रहेंगे तो वो ज्यादा नहीं जलेगा हाथ को.
Okay, chalo. Now, second is the. You will done. Then who is the next? 1 minute. Go on this side. 9.
पीयूष मेरी चांस नहीं हुई.
होकर भी गई तेरी चांस.
तूने तो बोला ही नहीं.
मेरा माइक हैंग हो गया था.
हाँ तो उसमें पीयूष की गलती नहीं है.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Piyush sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Piyush.
Yes. Second, Trivia Gokhale.
Yes, Piyush.
Now you will read. Read this.
Snakes trail the flow of air. Hot air rises up, cool air flows down, clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Okay. Now who will read? All of the students on your camera. Now who will read it? Who will read? Shivraj Jagtap. Shivraj. I can read. I have a network issue. Okay, don't worry. So, sorry. Shravani Sonamne. Shravani Sonamne. Shruti Chavan.
Yes.
Shruti Chavan. Divisha Malatari, mute your mic. Shruti. Shruti.
Yes.
Now you read this.
Give some example where we blow hot air. We also blow hot air into the musical wind meant to produce sound.
Okay, what is the name of this instrument? Shruti. Shruti Chavan. Shruti. Or not, don't give the answer. Shruti Chavan, what is the name of this instrument?
Flute.
Okay, very good. Now our slide is over. Now we will read the points of Google Classroom. Now we will read the first point. Divya Gokule,
Yes, Piyush.
can you?
Chance over.
You can read now. Divya Gokule,
Yes, Piyush.
read now. Can you read?
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Yes, read this. Okay, one minute, 1 minute.
बट पीयूष त्रिव्या की चांस तो हो चुकी है.
सबको एक एक सेंटेंस रीड करने को मिलने वाला है. हाँ, मिलेगा तुझे भी यशु.
कौन सा रीड करना है?
Trivia, read the first yellow.
To count the heartbeats.
Okay, second read.
To define stethoscope and write its use.
Now you see this stethoscope.
No.
1 minute, I will stop. Can you see now? Can you see this stethoscope?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now read the trivia.
To write the reasons for various effects of blowing on different things. To list
Okay, read. Continue.
to list and draw few instruments which produce sound on blowing. To write about the different acts of breathing.
Okay, fifth. Read the fifth.
I read.
Okay. Now who will read? I will text from start. From starting. Arav Raval.
Yes.
Now, can you read now? Okay.
First, second, or which one?
1 minute. Points to pointer. Can you see it? See. Points to ponder.
Where is it?
Can you see this now?
Yes. We blow air from our warm or cold hands in winter. Our breath is warm. We blow on hot potatoes to cool them, as the potatoes are hotter than our own breath.
Okay, dear children, I'm back. Let me stop this. थैंक यू फॉर पेशेंस एंड जस्ट 35 स्टूडेंट। ए बात मत करो बीच में, क्लास चल रही ना। अदिति, व्हाट यू रीड, कैन यू टेल मी? अभी आप जो भी बच्चे रीड कर रहे थे, क्या हुआ क्लास में, जरा बताना मुझे। अदिति बात करो। Aditi, your mic is not working. Okay, no problem. आरुषि आप बताओ।
What, sir?
अभी जो पीयूष शाह से प्रेजेंट कर रहा था, जो आप सुन रहे थे या पढ़ रहे थे, क्या समझ में आया चैप्टर से आपको?
सर मुझे ये समझ में आया, मुझे कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पता चले जो ब्लो करने से उसकी आवाज हमें आती है।
वो तो मैंने लास्ट पीरियड में भी बताया था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं कंक्लूड कर देता हूँ और हम इस चैप्टर को फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। मैं आपको प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ फिर से, आप देख लीजिए पहले। आई वॉज शोइंग यू दिस वन, एम आई राइट? मैं यही चीज दिखा रहा था ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, this is about the yoga. I told you about the inhalation and exhalation and the heartbeat. Our breath is humid. What is mean by humid? Humid means our breath is little bit warm, hot in nature. That's why it is called as it is a humid. It contains water vapor. As you know, when we blow on a glass or a spectacles, you can see the water is accumulated on the glass. As I'm showing you the practically, the glass become hazy. I'm just trying to show you. You can see these two different glasses. When we are blowing hot air on the glass, and it's become hazy, means the water droplets are accumulated on the glass. It contains the water vapor. Now you can see the people, especially the European countries where temperature is very low, we blow air from our mouth to warm our cold hands. As it is mentioned in the story, the woodcutter is going in the forest when he is feeling very cold and chilled. What he used to do, he blowing on his hands so that he feel little bit warm. In winter station, in winter area where the temperature is very low, it will help you to warm your hands. Now you can see another picture. We blow air into some musical instruments to produce the sound. As you can play, in next period I will allow you to play the musical instrument too. आपको किसी को म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट चलाना बजाना आता है तो नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मैं आपको अलाउ करूंगा. We blow to cook hot things. As you see, there is a cool. We blow to cool hot things. आपने पूरी खाई है, गरम गरम पूरी खाई है. It is very hot. What you used to do? आरएस मनियार क्लास में नहीं है, तो आप क्या करते हो? पूरी को साथ में लेते हैं, पाव भाजी को साथ में लेते हैं, जलेबी को साथ में लेते. You make it cooler. So your blowing of air help you to make the things cool. We blow air to lit fire. As you can see, the air is blown to lit the fire. हम फायर को जलाने के लिए एयर को ब्लो करते हैं. हॉट एयर इज लाइट एंड राइज अप. जो एयर hot होती है, the hot air always used to go upside. Take an example of, let's continue. Take an example of when water is boiling. Dear children, what I'm saying, you please keep quiet. आपके घर में जब पानी उबल रहा है, when the water is boiling, keep a tin over that pot and you see when you remove the cover, you can see the water vapors are going up because it is light in weight. Cold air is heavy and comes down. as you may have the questions, why the rain comes down, why the rainwater is not going upside, because the water is in a cool, water is in a cool state, a cool air, and it's converted into the water droplets, and that's why it is heavy, and that's why it's coming down. Now you can see the scenario. Breathing exercises. As you are all requested to do the yogasanas, exhalation, inhalation by one nostril so that you will be healthy, wealthy. The yogic exercises are much more important. Just 1 minute. आप दोनों से
Sir,
पहले
in the mail, they were showing that the class
1 minute.
is 10. Sir, your mic is mute.
I know my mic is mute. What I am giving you, what I was telling, why we have selected our MDP project as a yoga exercises are very, very useful. अभी कोमल तोमर को समझ में आ गया होगा. तो ये हमने एमडीपी फर्स्ट इंटरवल में फर्स्ट फेज में किया था, लेकिन हमने सेकंड फेज में कुछ भी नहीं किया है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, योगा के बारे में और ज्यादा 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 जानकारी आप कलेक्ट करेंगे. कितनी कलेक्ट करेंगे? 20 पेजेस नहीं बोला है मैंने, एटलीस्ट 2 पेजेस, 4 पेजेस. हाउ योगा इज यूजफुल इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ. English terminology, Hindi terminology, EVS terminology, math terminology, so many things. और आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से किया भी है, लेकिन हम इसको अभी भूल चुके हैं. तो मैं इस विंडो को फिर से खोल के मैं रिपोस्ट करता हूं, और मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अद्वैत महाजन को टेंशन आ रहा है कि नेक्स्ट 8 डेज, टुडे इज फ्राइडे, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे तक, सैटरडे तक एमडीपी प्रोजेक्ट के और दो पेजेस आप अपलोड करेंगे. टर्म टू एमडीपी प्रोजेक्ट, मैं उसका विंडो देता हूं, टर्म टू एमडीपी प्रोजेक्ट. तो उसमें आपको नॉलेज को और इंक्रीज करना है, उसको इंक्रीज करना है. सो दिस योगिक एक्सरसाइज प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन योर बॉडी बिल्डिंग. What we learn from this, give reasons. Why do we blow on the hot potatoes? Yeah, definitely when your mama is cooking a potato sabji, you used to take the potato in your hand and you used to blow on it. Mama, can I test this one? Definitely mama said, yes, why not? Why do people blow air on their spectacles before cleaning them? And name any two instrument, we blow air into the, produce the sound. So these are the questions which we discuss. And now I am showing you here also in a short. Just 1 minute. Yes. Why should we blow on hot tea? When we blow on hot tea, the tea become comfortable, tea become cool so that we can drink it easily. Why do we blow hot air? To dry cold air, cold hair, the hairs will be inside. State what happens when air is blown into a balloon. As you people, the child is blowing air into the balloon. Why do we blow warm air on cold hands? When you warm your hands, you blow steadily with your mouth open. This allows a greater volume of warm air to reach your cold hands. We open our mouth wide and exhale the warm air upon our hands. How human lungs function, breathing process. Now this is our body structure. What is shown in the first picture? Inhalation. Now you see the air is going through the nose and mouth. Rib cage expand as rib muscles contract. Our Now our chest become a bigger in size. It is called as the expansion of the rib cage. You can see the linings are there, the bones are there. As soon as we inhale the oxygen, our body expands. Yes. And in the second pictures, when we exhale, you can see the chest is contract. The rib cage gets smaller as these muscles relax. That is called as the exhalation. The mechanics of breathing, we take oxygen into the lungs, and this process is called as inhalation, and we exhale the carbon dioxide, and this process is called as the exhalation. Please go through it. Why do we toss or cool the hot potatoes? Snake tell the flow of air. Hot air rises up clockwise, or cool air flows down anti-clockwise. It's just a game. Samyak Shalar, what you mentioned 1024. Give some examples where we blow hot air. We also blow air into the musical instrument as you already learned in previous period also. So dear children, today I want to stop here only. Though the important things, exhalation, inhalation, what we take, what we release. This thing you remember. And the another things, there are so many important points which I have shared you in the Google Classroom. Please go through it. I hope you wrote this one. Now you can see I'm just reading these 11 points for your information, and I will stop here afterward. Our nose help us to breathe and smell. Is it right? Is it right, Trivia? Our nose help us to breathe and smell. Absolutely right. The process of breathing in is called inhalation, and the process of breathing out is called as exhalation. Is it right, Arushi?
Yes.
Lungs are the organs which helps in breathing. The lungs are the main organs which are helping for the breathing. Is it right, Shaurya?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And by one I'm taking the name. Stethoscope is an instrument used by doctor to listen the heartbeat of the patient. Is it right, Samiksha? This is the stethoscope.
Yes, it is right.
Used to listen the heartbeat used by the doctor. Fire needs oxygen to burn. When there is a fire, oxygen is required. Is it right, Kirtesh?
Yes, sir.
Flute and bean are the instrument played by the blowing air. Is it right, Sorali? For any instrument, the air is to be blown. The average human heart beats around 72 times per minute. Is it right, Samiksha Patil?
Yes, it is right.
Hot air is light and rises up, and cold air is heavy and it's come down. Is it right, Vedant? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Air blown by us is used for both cool and warm the things. Yes, we are blowing the air, which is useful to cool the things as well as to make the things hotter. Is it right, Arushi?
Yes, sir.
Our heart beats faster after we run, skip, or exercise. Is it right, Komal?
Yes.
Yes.
When we do the exercise, our heartbeat increases. A popcorn seller finds the burning coal to increase the oxygen supply. Not only the popcorn seller, as well as the भुट्टा वो बेचने वाला भी देखो वो भी क्या करता है कोयले को ऐसे ऐसे हवा लगाता है so that it's become hotter and it start burning. So these are the important points as we discuss now. Here are very simple question and answers, and you will write simple in your notebook and fast. And thank you and have a nice day. Without making noise, you can leave the class. If you have a doubt, please stay tuned. We'll discuss.